Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can do the debugging in Visual Studio Code. Before I go ahead, if you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe and like this video if you love the content. Let's jump into it. I'm going to open Visual Studio Code. Here if you take a look at this program, it's just a simple program that does add, subtract, multiple and divide. Before I run this program, I'm going to make a breakpoint on the line number 4 and then show you how you can do it. I'm going to run this program, run and debug, select your debugger as Node.js. You can see it hit this breakpoint and on top, you can see 3 options: step over or F10, step into or F11, step out or shift plus F11. I'm gonna show you the first thing, that is step over. When I step over, you can see it will come till this end of the line. I'm gonna open debug console to show you. You can see this result is not still printed. I'm gonna do step over. It'll just come to the next line. When I again do step over, you can see it'll just reach the end of the line, and then when the result is printed. Okay, that is what step over. It'll just come line by line, and I'm going to show you step into. That is like, let's say I want to debug the subtract method. How can I do that? Because here I call subtract method, right? So I want to see what is happening inside this one. So when I do I'm going to run this one again. I'll show you. Now I'm going to step in. I'll come into subtract method, and when I again step in, it'll go into multiple method also. And when I again step in, it'll again go to divide method. Okay, at last, when I again step in, it'll just get into result method also. You can see it now, you see. And when I step out, how many times I'll just go. Okay, now you see the result is printed. I'll show you what is step out. I'm gonna run this one again. Now I'm gonna step in twice. Twice means I'm gonna step into 2 methods, subtract and multiple. Okay, when I step out, you see how many times I step in, that many times I can step out. Okay, and again step out, you can see just came here. That is what the difference between step over, step into and step out. When I again step out, that's it. It reached the end of the program. That's it for this video. I hope you love it. If so, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.